Okay, first we're gonna open a new file, 400 pixels width and 400 pixels height, transparent. Press OK. Then we're going to add text, new text. Just write whatever you want the logo to say. Then we're gonna change the size to whatever we want. We're gonna move it a little bit. We're gonna select the text, and you could change the font to whatever you'd like. Right now I have it to, hold on, I don't know. It's called Harabra, whatever. And then I'm gonna add like a little warp to it. Because I like my text warped. Anyway, then we're going to edit the layer style. I added stroke, 3 pixels. I added a darker pink to it, and I added inner glow for like a little bubbly effect. Just set it to multiply, and then drop shadow. I put it overlay, like 73%. Okay, now we're going to use the pen tool to add a little symbol to it, like an underline. We're gonna stroke the path next with the pen tool, so we need to edit the pencil settings. So I put it to size 11 with no hardness. I go back to the pen tool, stroke path, then I put stimulate pressure. Now I delete the path. We copy the same style to the other layer with the underline thingy, and crop the logo, and we're done. Enjoy your logo. This has been a Dizanetti production.